Morning students. So today we are going to discuss few numerical problems on the basis of that topic which we have discussed earlier. As you know, in the last video session we have done discussion on the electric force, or we can say the electrostatic force, charges and their properties. Here I have written the formula of the force which we have derived from the Coulomb's law, that is F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, where epsilon naught is the permittivity, q1 q2 both are the charges, and r square, that the separation distance between the two charges. So the next numerical is, they are saying 2 point charges, means we have 2 point source charges of plus 2 microcoulomb. Micro means 10 raised to power minus 6 meter, and plus 6 microcoulomb repel each other. Why they are repelling? Because both are of the same sign, that is positive positive, with a force. How much force is exerted between these charges, that also they have given, that is 12 newton. Now if each is given an additional charge of minus 4 microcoulomb, now they are saying if charge is added in both the existed, then what will be the new force? Just see this thing. The already the charges which we have, q1 plus 2 microcoulomb, q2 plus 6 microcoulomb. After adding minus 4 in both the charges, we will get minus 2 here, and q2, that is also plus, but this is plus 2 microcoulomb. The original force F is equal to q1 q2 upon r square, or you can write, we have the formula for F1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 into q2 upon r square. Same here, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, here also 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, q1 q2 upon r square. Now what we have, for this we can fill the value f like 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught as it is. The value for q1, 2 into 6 divided by r square, they have not given. For the new f dash 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, the charges will be new charges, minus 2 into plus 2 divided by r square. Afterwards what we will have, f dash upon f. Now we want to find the new force. What I'll do, I'll divide both the forces, f dash upon f. 4 pi epsilon naught, 4 pi epsilon will get cancelled out, r square will also get cancelled out. We will have the new charges on the numerator side, q1 dash q2 dash, q1 dash minus 2, q2 dash plus 2. We have to do multiplication, earlier charges 2 into 6. Now this 2 can get cancelled out, 2 3s are 6, we will get minus 1 by 3. What we got? We got f dash upon f is equal to 1 by 3. We have f dash upon f is equal to 1 by 3. Now the original f they have given, so what I will do, f dash माइनस 1/3 हमारे पास यहाँ पे है, f उधर चला जाएगा 12, तो ये क्या आ जाएगा, f डैश कितनी आ जाएगी, 4 न्यूटन. व्हाट आई विल गेट, f डैश विल बी इक्वल टू 4 न्यूटन. जस्ट सी दिस थिंग बेटा, ये चीज़ आ गई हमारे पास कैंसिल होके. व्हाट आई हैव डन आफ्टरवर्ड्स, आई हैव पुट द वैल्यूज q डैश, q1 dash, q2 dash. For q1 dash I got minus 2, I have put there. For q2 dash I have plus 2, I have put there. q1 q2 already I have plus 2 plus 6. After cancelling them, I got f dash upon f is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now f dash upon f I got minus 1 by 3. f की वैल्यू मेरे पास थी, उधर f पुट कर दिया, तो f डैश कितनी आ गई, 4 न्यूटन. Understood? This is the numerical on the basis of the Coulomb's law, or I can say force. The next I have, what the next statement says, a charge q is placed at the center of the line. At the center of the line. Just split the statement and then try to understand and solve side by side. They are saying a charge, means they are discussing about a charge small q which is placed at the center of the line joining टू इक्वल चार्जेस, एक लाइन पे दो चार्जेस ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं एंड इन देयर सेंटर आई हैव प्लेस्ड चार्ज स्मॉल q, show that the system of three charges will be in equilibrium if q is equal to minus q by 4, small q is equal to minus capital Q by 4. So I have drawn a diagram, a system of charge where two capital Q's are placed on the corners and the small q is placed in the center between these two charges, and the distance between this is x, head also x, and total distance from A to B I can take as 2x. So what I'll do, I will find the force. As you know, but the equilibrium condition in class 9th also, maybe you have done in 10th also, that equilibrium stage is that where all the forces are equal, the net effect of force is zero. That state is called the equilibrium state. So we can write this thing, AB is equal to x, that already I have told you, I have taken AB 2x. Afterwards, here C is the center of AB, that also I have told. Again I can draw the diagram over here. Here I have point B, here A, in the center capital Q, small q, total distance 2x, x and x. Clear? C is the center of AB where charge q is held or placed. Net force on q is 0 because q is in between the two charges. So q is already in equilibrium. So I can write the total force on q from this side and this side. If I am finding from this side, q upon x square. If from this side, total q into q. अगर तो मैं टोटल फोर्स फाइंड कर रही हूँ q पे एट b पे, लाइक मुझे b पे फाइंड करनी है, तो दो लगेंगी. एक तो है q और एक तो बेटा ये वाली, जस्ट सी दिस थिंग, one force will be like that, q into small q. Done. The second force, this q and this q, between these two charges will also be a force, but between these two charges will also be a force. I will have two forces. So the first one is from A to B and the second one will be, or you can say first one is from C to B or the second one is from A to B. So I have taken the force. For the force we know the formula, q1 q2 upon r square. q1 q2 charges and r square is the distance. I have put. As per the question, we want to find at the equilibrium stage. Moreover, the charge is in the center. Net force will be 0. So I have written 0. So I have just brought that equation on the right hand side and I found the charge, that is q is equal to minus q by 4. In place of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon, I have put the value capital K, which is dielectric constant. We know K is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon. So this is our proof which they have asked in the question. Next small term we have, which in detail we will discuss in the tomorrow's video session. Just see, electric field. What is electric field? An electric field is the region of space surrounding electrically charged particle, means where the charges and around that charge the influence which can be felt, that is called electric field. An electric field is a region of space surrounding electrically charged particle where a force is exerted, means अगर दो charges होंगे there will be a force, either repulsive or attractive, is exert on other electrically charged object. Clear? This is the electric field. Just one rule, or we can say the characteristic is इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज रेडियली आउटवर्ड फ्रॉम द पॉजिटिव. अगर हमारे पास चार्ज पॉजिटिव है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विल बी रेडियली आउटवर्ड, एंड इफ आई हैव नेगेटिव देन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विल बी रेडियली इनवर्ड. So this is the point about the electric field and the numericals. If you will have any kind of problem, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.